Shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting.
The video today here we're gonna be making huge paper airplanes. Huger. Yeah. That's not a word, but huger, greater.
Huge.
I ate those twice.
Huge and better. Bigger and better.
Like yeah.
So you thought?
Yeah, you think these are big?
These were.
And these are nothing. Those are not. This is nothing.
These are.
The other next thing is so big. I don't think it's gonna
fit in the camera.
I don't think it's gonna. So let's go ahead.
Show you what it is.
And show you what we're gonna make it out of.
It's green, bro.
And it's green. Holy.
All right, and if it's in the camera, that's good. So.
Okay. Yeah. This is what we're using.
Huge, bro. Huge.
Yeah.
Half my body, bro.
So big we can use it as a green screen.
We could. Yeah, we could.
Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so now we're gonna construct the paper airplane. So the first part is to cut it in half. Cut it in half, what am I saying? Yeah, fold it in half so we can make the clear. Okay. Holy, this is gonna be this is gonna be hard.
The wind is gonna make it so hard.
So now we're gonna fold this thing to the line right here. I can already tell this is gonna be now the next one. No, why wait. My arm feels red right now.
It does, right?
Like it looks red for some reason.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this is so
weird.
Weird.
It feels like I'm high, actually.
Yeah.
Dude, it feels so weird. Like
I don't know why.
I don't know why exactly. Just randomly.
I don't know. Another day with 3 videos.
Illuminati. Dude. No, it's because we've been looking at the green thing.
Yeah, this is so weird.
This is so bright, that green.
Holy. Okay, so now we're gonna.
Wait, which type? Yeah, let's do the
pointy.
sharp pointy. Yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah, you do that.
Tell me when to start. It's okay.
Alright. Watch out. Let's fold this front first, and then pull it, bring this back so we can get on table.
Get it with the nice. That looks weird.
Yeah. Alright.
Next side.
Yeah. Next side. You know you gotta get that crisp. Oh. Right.
Holy!
Wait, I need to come to the table. Dang, bro. Oh, good. Look
already.
At this. It looks so big.
Happy Valentine's Day. It's a heart. You're welcome.
So now we have to fold it again, right?
No, let's not fold it again because I think it would be too hard to fold it again. Let's go ahead and do the back fold.
Alright.
Yeah, we're not gonna design this one because it's not really designed.
Yeah,
it's
green.
Oh, holy!
Wait, let me get the other one, you know? Get that other one.
Holy!
This is like
talking about size, eh?
Bro, this is one wing.
Size, eh? Ooh.
Not even one wing, bro.
This is how we do it.
Damn.
This is how we do it.
We should get like regular paper and then
make
it with that and then match it with this.
We already have ours, remember?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is the one. Let's try it out. Unless anything other designs. Okay, that's it. Alright. Wait, they designed it off camera. Holy, this is massive. This is lit.
Let's do it. Eat that.
Airplane time.
Here we go. Let's get it.
Moment of silence.
Actually did bad. Good, I meant. That good. Oh, that was okay.
That was okay, yeah. That's why there's room for improvement, okay?
We gotta fix that.
That's why Alan
I got that.
is gonna throw it this time.
Yep.
When in doubt, give it to Alan. That's the
huge.
yeah. Wait, I have an idea. What if we tape this together?
You don't have to.
I do. I found some. Pause.
Okay.
So Anton's back on the track.
Back on the track, and it ain't whack.
All right, let's go.
And
Let's go.
there's Zach.
Yes.
Okay.
That was good. It flew backwards too, bro. Or
Oh my god.
upside down. It flew upside down. Here. Let me try this. Since it's huge, it's like it's mad. It's hard to hold too.
Yeah, it's hard to hold. It's your boy, Jet the Wind. Let's see if it's strong enough to go through the way.
That was nice. Oh, camera holding plane toss. Nice.
Alright,
I like that.
we gotta save this.
I like that. All right, next one.
Bend
Second one.
Bend it over.
That was so random. Bend it over. I want you to know when to bend it over.
Bend it over.
Sorry, Father.
I can see.
Don't you wish you were like us?
No, is that
'Cause
right?
I still ride the bus.
That's it.
Okay, whoa. Okay, yeah.
Is that good? I don't
Yeah.
think it's good.
Alright, next side. You do the next side. So let's go ahead and switch sides.
Alright.
Wing it.
Wing it.
That's an. Oh my gosh. See, I got a lot of quotes, you know. I'll share them one day. You know, I'm gonna share them something right now. If the shoe fits, you put it on and run with it.
Oh yeah.
You run with it and say, hooray, I ran with it. You know? That's confidence.
That's what Alan says.
Just keep it. Just keep running, so they don't catch you.
So you want? Oh no, which?
I don't care. You decide, because I said pointy for the first one.
I guess.
Let's make it fat.
Want to do my best?
First, let me hop out the mother's father's van. I don't want to go to school because there's a gay man at the stop sign.
It's gonna be hard to make. So guys,
So, you know, let me just freestyle for you real quick. No, I'm not gonna freestyle. Actually.
Yeah, you know.
Because it's too fire.
Too far.
Too fire. You already know. Because, you know, I spit heat. I spit heat. I spit heat.
He spits heat
And that's it. That's all I'm going to say.
because he's on
Drugs. You might wonder why. I'm kind of confused. Well, I'm wondering why. I'm just amused about everything. I'm on drugs. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not actually on drugs. I'm sorry. I'm on that apple juice, though. The apple juice. And water. And Kool-Aid to stay fresh. For success. Hit him with it. Hit him with it. See, every single time we see you, I'm gonna give you a quote. And the quote's gonna be lit. Because all I do is spit. Fire. Fire bars. Chicken cars.
chicken breast.
Guess what?
I'm a bar.
I'm on a bar, going tomorrow. So, hit it with the yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Drop top. Yeah. That sounds familiar. Actually, that's a song I know for some reason. What was I?
Probably already messed it up,
But it's okay.
because
Because as Anton says, wing it. And when in doubt, give it to Alan to handle. We should duct tape, you know. Duct tape. Let's duct tape real quick. Try this one.
Alright. Here you go.
It's called the green screen 10,000. Okay, that you didn't see that actually.
Okay.
All right, second try.
Second try the charm.
Okay, that was nice. I like that. I like
Third time.
that. Third time's a charm,
I don't know why.
and the alarm is going off. When the wind is going, you never slowing.
Alright.
Oh!
See that?
He said that. It's right there.
Your turn.
Oh. All right, here you go. Oh my! Wait, do that again! Holy moly! Holy moly, bro!
No wind? Let's do it.
No win. No win is the best. Oh! Dun, 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 dun. I don't know what I'm doing. Damn, we're all over here, bro.
Against the wind, because I'm a savage.
Against the wind. Savage. That looks so bad. Your battery's at 15%. Battery's at 15%. Alright, pause. Yeah. And bigger paper airplane.
In the future, if you want to see a bigger, like a
Even bigger?
even bigger,
We will get you with it. Bang, bang. Bah. So
either like or comment. Just anything, just comment.
do both, please.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
don't have
I'm
to.
I'm not threatening you. Nope, that's not a threat.
Shoot your mom.
Shoot your mom, take her to the ground.
Alright, so this is the paper airplanes we did yesterday.
Yesterday, paper airplanes.
They're so small, guys.
Get that crap out of here. Don't put it up for me. Put it up for me real quick. No, give it to me. Give it to me. Yay!
Alright. So,
Okay.
look.
So today the last video was this.
So, look at this.
So we do that. That's pretty. That's okay. That's nice.
Alright. Oh, yeah.
And also this
we also
one.
did this one, the same size. Look how small, dude. Look how small this one
Look.
is. Look how big this is. Alright.
Okay. So now.
Alright. Now, wait. Alright.
Look
at this.
Holy.
Look at this.
The big guy.
The big guy. Riding on top. Riding on top.
Riding on top. That sounds weird, but it doesn't. Exactly. So now, holy, see? If your name is
Boom.
Sam I am with a bag of ham that I took from Kroger.
Boom.
Oh, snap.
All three of them.
Airplane.
Go.
Ah.
Alright, just do the face cam, but let's just show him real quick. I want to see him.
Alright, so he's going to try
All these guys.
all of them.
Little one, medium one, big, huge one. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
The little one just flew out.
Oh.
The mini one flew out like a bomb. Like a bomb. This one stayed with the big one for protection. The big one landed like a huge atomic bomb. Social studies.
Social studies.
Get it. Alright, guys. Like, subscribe,
Comment down below what you think about this video, and see you next time. Peace.